Hi all, Renee here. I have just a few items to show you out of our brand new catalogs. We have two brand new catalogs. I am actually recording this way back in July, just before our annual convention, because I have some items that I received early and I wanted to grab a quick video of them before I started playing with them, cutting them up, showing you what you can do with them. So I thought I'd give you a quick little peek. So this is our core catalog. This will go from September 2021 to August 2022. I have a few things marked here that I want to show you that I've already have my hands on. So I'm just going to flip real quick. This is our new paper line called As You Grow. We have several new paper lines that will be available the whole year. So this is one of those. So it consists of the pattern paper, the sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock, and the Picture My Life cards. So I do have those to show you. So I will, first, you know what though, I think I'm going to show you, these are our new colors. We have new colors for the year. So this is the first one. This one is called Capri. Hopefully it'll get, let's see, there we go. This is Capri. So this is the darker side and then the lighter side. I know these probably aren't going to show true on all computers. So this one is called Harbor. It's like a really, really dark blue, almost a gray black, and then a lighter side. Mocha is the next one. So there's Mocha. And we've got a dark side on the Mocha, and then we also have a light side on the Mocha. Mulberry. There is that. And the light side. We've got Papaya. Really pretty terracotta color. Rosemary, a really deep kind of a sage green. And then Shortbread, which is sort of a pale yellow, more on the brownish side of yellow. And there's the light side. And then this is our color of the year, Wild Berry. Really, really fun, bright color. So those are our new colors. So with that, I'll go ahead and show you the Picture My Life cards from the As You Grow. I like our pocket scrapbooking cards, both for making cards and for doing traditional pocket scrapbooking. And the thing I really like about them is you have a lot of different options with them. So really cute. I'll just go real quick through these. And so the As You Grow paper line is at its core a baby paper line. However, there is so much you can do with this that I have already seen done. So there's that. And that. Do quickly. Love the plaid. And, oh, that's cute. The little turtle. And a wood grain. And while I'm showing you this, I'll let you know that that wood grain paper that I just love, it is in this catalog again. So it's being continued for another year. And there are actually some additional papers that are really cool. So I will put a link down below to the PDF, to the catalog, so you can take a look to the catalogs, because I'm going to show you another catalog as well. I'll put a link down below to the PDF so you can take a look at everything. A lot of really fun items. And I'm going to show you, like I said, I'll show you a few of them. And then those are 3x4s. These are 4x6. So very cool. If you find that you don't have a lot of time for scrapbooking, pocket scrapbooking is a really good way to go. It's fast, it's easy, but yet you still get a really, really neat looking item at the end. So there's that. Aww. Oh, got too many at one time. And this. That's pretty. Oh, that's sweet. That would be really nice for the beginning of a baby album. And a different colorway on that side. Some and another one of the fox. and mushrooms, really pretty daisies. Hello, baby. I love this little mouse. So cute. And our new arrival. So those are the Picture My Life cards. So now what I'm going to show you is the sticker sheet that comes with. You can buy the paper or the paper and the sticker sheet together. So these are the stickers. Really, really cute. I love this. You can do the month. You could do an entire album with for the baby for the whole year, and then each month is a page or a 2-page layout. That would be a really nice gift. I did that for a friend once. Okay, so here is the paper. Just love this paper. And all the paper is double-sided. There's that. And stars. Some little, I think that's mulberry, the new color. And a gingham in yellow and a gingham in blue. This is that wood grain. And some really pink, pretty pink flowers on a dark background. And 2 kinds of plaids. And really, really cute. So then I also have the coordinating cardstock pack. You can buy a cardstock pack that's specifically designed to go with this paper, and that's a really good way to get yourself the cardstocks. So here are these. Let me see if it tells me. So you get 2 each of shortbread, papaya, mulberry, glacier, harbor, and New England ivy, and then there's a few pieces of white that I had back there. So there is the coordinating cardstock that goes with this line. Let's see. Oh, you know what? This is actually the coordinating cardstock. Sorry about that. That was some other cardstock that I got for another project. So I'll just show you this one again. So that would be harbor. And this way you can see the 2 colors side by side. So one side is one color and the other side is the other color. And there's that one. There's shortbread. This is glacier and New England ivy. And so there are the coordinating cardstocks that go with that paper line. So the next thing I wanted to show you, let me flip over there, is this really cute stamp set and die set. Now I only have the stamp, I don't have the die, but this is what it looks like. So it's a really nice size. And what you'll be noticing in this new catalog is there is a lot of slimline cards, a lot of stamps, dies. As a matter of fact, we even have slimline pre-cut and scored slimline cards and envelopes. So that's really fun. But this is called Ooh La La Macaroon, or Macaron stamp. I always get confused. Macarons, macaroons. I think macarons are the cookies, macaroons are the coconut things. If I'm wrong, leave me a comment down below. Then the next thing I wanted to show you is these are some new dies that are slimline dies. I don't have the actual die, but I do have some pieces that have been cut with the die. So this is the hearts. So that would be this die right here. And this would cover the entire front of a slimline card. You could also use this as a stencil, cut it out and use it as a stencil. So there's that. Then the next thing I wanted to show you is the slimline cards and envelopes. Here's where you can pick up those. So it's $9.95 for 20 envelopes and the pre-cut, pre-scored. And then we also have a bunch of new embellishments. The ones that I have are the wood buttons. You can also get these same buttons in black acrylic and white acrylic. There's 38 buttons in here, and the price on that $6.50. So that's a really good deal. And these are pretty hefty. So that's everything that I have to show you from the Core Products catalog. There's a lot of really fun stuff in here, so I would recommend you go down and look at the PDF and check it out. And the next one I'm going to show you is our specials catalog for September, October 2021. So I'm going to show you a couple things that I have from that. I don't have a lot from this particular catalog, but what I do have is this set right here, pumpkin spice. So we have some really fun, these are wood stickers. So they are actual wood. However, they're really thin, so they're not going to cause you a lot of problems either in your cards if you're using them for cards, or in your scrapbooks. They don't create a whole bunch of dimension in the size wise, but they create a lot of dimension and a lot of texture. So those are really fun. So we've got those. The other thing I have is the paper. So let me give you a quick look at the paper and the sticker sheet. We'll do the sticker sheet first. So here's the sticker sheet. Love these. Really, really cool. And it's funny, I'm recording this on one of the hottest days we've had of the year, over 90 degrees, and I'm looking at fall stuff. So this is a two-sided paper, so there's two sides of that piece. And you get two of each. Really fun. Love this plaid, and that's really pretty too. And that background is that new Harbor color. So a really rich, almost gray, blue, deep, deep color. And I also have the coordinating cardstock for this paper line. So let me pull those out. I'll show you those and let you know what they are. So we've got the shortbreads. There's the light and the dark. We've got Harbor. Let's see, we've got, and I haven't learned what all the new colors look like yet. So there's nectarine, papaya, and paprika. So I don't know which of these is which. And then also some white daisy that comes in the coordinating cardstock. And then I have one last thing to show you, and it is this stamp set right here. It also has a die. I don't have the die, but it is a beautiful stamp set. I really think this is cute. So everything that you see outlined, that's all going to have a die that is available, and you can buy it with or without the die. So that is everything that I have to show you today. In our two new catalogs, I will be getting lots of additional product that I'll be showing you as we go along, but I hope you enjoyed this quick little peek. And again, check down below for the PDF for both of these catalogs so you can take a look at everything that's in them. And I hope you enjoy, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.